Alright, here come the birds again. Where are they? Yep, there's one. I don't know what kind of dog, what kind of dog, what kind of birds these are. They keep coming back and forth from the factory to here. Now, why is that one just sitting there? Oh, there they go, see? And there's that one. What's he doing? Oh, there's another one. And... oh, shit. Turn this. Alfred Hitchcock, baby. That's crazy. I can't get up there high enough. I can hear him, but can't quite get all the way up there. Who are you? Say I'm a tree with a leaf in front of me. The hell do I... what the hell are you? Oh, you're not though. You're a vine, which is always a take it away. Yeah. There we go. Wow. Okay, well that just changed. Because that's a portal bird. You know, in all these years I never found like the top of one of these vines. Oh, what the heck's going on over here? Uh-oh. Okay. You're supposed to be my tree, but where's my hardware? It's not on there. Where's my tree? I swear to God, you know, as much as I, you know, every day, every morning wake up to the same view, I'll be damned if I know what it's supposed to look like. I do know that I have stairs on 2 of these and I can't find them, so they're not my tree. And that's a Bigfoot. Oh, there they are. Yeah, I can see, yeah, and then the leaves always do that. Wait, oh. What's going on? Now there's my hardware. You see the wood around the tree? There he is. And he doesn't look like Gumby, damn it. They're back. Oh yeah, oh look at that face. Yeah, I gotta film today. Even though I have so much footage I have to go through yet. Oh, he's hiding now. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, okay. Did you get laid last night, did you? Did I just say that on public TV? Well, it's not like I haven't caught you already. That little guy. No, don't move, doggies. What the hell is going on now? Oh, there's the tree. Okay. They're coming out of that tree. You see how there's white? They're not sticks, but they look like sticks. They changed the dimensions, and they also changed their faces just that fast, okay? Like here, it looks like a Bigfoot, and in a couple minutes, he'll look like, you know, Gumby or something, because he's either ready to get into a tree or, I don't know. Hello. Yeah, I see you. Alright, well, let me get my equipment ready. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, guys. I'll be right with you. Hold on. Man, that is definitely not my tree. It's way too black. I mean, it looks burnt. Unless it was a fire, that's how you can tell it was a big, you know, it's usually a Bigfoot tree. Unless, of course, you have black walnuts or something indigenous to your area, but they don't normally have eyes. I could be paranoid, I know, but it's... Oh, I got a facial right here somewhere. It's amazing how my camera does that. It freaks me out. Who we got up there? Yeah, at least in the way I know. Is that a baby? No, don't start your crap. Get up here. And also, see how it keeps getting blurry? My camera does not do that. That means something's moving out there. Either closer or further. Now it's turning into 1, 2, 3 faces. Imagine that. Oh, there's a facial right above it. Look at it. It keeps getting blurry. I'm gonna keep my eye on you, I think. Get up here now. Is that their, no. Come on, up. Now let's stop. I'm not gonna foster no more dogs. You're gonna knock it off. You're a pain in my ass, keys. Yes, you are. Stay. Do you mind? Hey, hey. Stay. I know you hear all those birdies. Let's see what this other guy looked like. Where was he at? Uh-oh, they're coming away from the back there again. Jeez. But look, they're not right up front anymore. They're gone. Look at that tree. Oh, God. It's definitely not a tree. Man, it's so black. I cannot believe it. Where are you guys coming from? Tahiti? Look at all the tops. Oh no, puppy, puppy, puppy. Whoa. Man, you can barely see him. Now, oh look, is it coming in from the top or going out? I don't know which. Coming in from the canopy today. What's up with that? Another tree. Jeez. Dropping off, I guess. They're always dropping off. I never see them picking up, you know? Abby, don't scratch right now. Stop it. Stop it. I don't have a tripod. Stop it. What the heck is that? Now you notice the birds have stopped. Okay, well, there's the tree they're coming out of, I guess. Or going into. You guys are using my stairs. At least somebody used them, since I never got my swing. Look at them all. Oh my God, they're coming in. Jeez. Hold on, Nana.